Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we're diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 7th of July, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 7th of July, 2025, our system has consistently ranked NIO as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.24. Now, let's examine the stock's performance throughout this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is situated at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $3.36 is breached, it will likely indicate an increased rate of decline. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 7.5% over the next 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between -8.99% and +9.92%. When considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -17.93%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decline of 32.27% to an increase of 48.95% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $2.31 and $5.08. Our latest daily update for NIO features the headline, NIO stock upgraded to hold accumulate. On the last trading day, the NIO stock price experienced a decline of 2.57%, dropping from $3.50 to $3.41. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 2.36%, with a low of $3.39 and a high of $3.47. The price has shown volatility over this period, resulting in no change over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased by 15 million shares despite the decline in prices. This may signal an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 30 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $101.48 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $7.71 and a low of $3.02. Currently, the price stands 55.77%, or $4.30, below the 52-week high, and 94.91%, or $63.58, below the all-time high recorded on the 11th of January, 2021, when it reached $66.99. NIO is currently trading well below its 5-year price-to-sales average, indicating potential buying opportunities for investors seeking to enter the stock at a lower valuation. However, high operational costs and challenges with the NIO program may temper enthusiasm regarding its improving delivery outlook. In the first half of 2025, NIO reported delivering over 114,000 vehicles, a 30% year-over-year increase. But skepticism arises as the company may not meet its ambitious full-year delivery targets. Meanwhile, NIO stock has experienced a dramatic decline, dropping 95% from its January 2021 peak, which has significantly reduced its market capitalization to around $6.9 billion. This decline has raised concerns over NIO's position in an increasingly competitive market, particularly with analysts suggesting that Xiaomi's entry into the electric vehicle space poses a risk to NIO's market share. Xiaomi is seen as a formidable competitor with the potential to challenge leading brands like Tesla. In the short term, this combination of low valuation and potential competitive pressure may lead to heightened volatility in NIO's stock price. In the long run, if NIO cannot effectively navigate these challenges, especially as BYD and XPeng demonstrate stronger performance, it may struggle to gain investor confidence, resulting in a continued lack of upward movement in its stock price. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 17th of June 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned NIO a neutral grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of April 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of October 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for NIO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, and so far it has fallen 0%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, which may influence the near short-term development. The NIO stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the lines at $3.46 and $3.63. A break above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday. This may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 24 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 30 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 27 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 33 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 49 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 65 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.31, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with robust trading volume, the risk is assessed to be medium. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by 8 cents between its high and low, equivalent to 2.36%. Over the past week, the stock experienced a daily average volatility of 2.5%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and could indicate risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 470 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.52. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a significant level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $3.31. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.23, reflecting a decrease of 5.18%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom that was identified 10 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO exhibits several negative indicators, suggesting it may be a candidate for selling. However, considering the potential for a turnaround, it could be viewed as a hold or accumulate position while we monitor further developments. Our analysis has been updated from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 8th of July, we anticipate that NIO will open higher by approximately 1.33 cents, starting at $3.42. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with warmer guides from all of us here at Stock Invest.